Ever wondered how to quickly find your home credit account number in 2025? Whether you need it for making a payment or just keeping it handy, getting it is easier than you think. First, if you have the Home Credit app on your phone, open it and log in. Once inside, head over to the My Account or Profile section. There, you should see your account or contract number listed under your loan or credit information. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're checking the right one. If you prefer a paper trail, check your original loan agreement. This is the document you received when you first signed up. Look near the top of the first page. Your account number is almost always printed there. Don't have a physical copy? No problem. Many people receive a digital version via email or the app inbox. Another easy way is to search your messages or emails from Home Credit. Payment confirmations, statements, or approval notices almost always include your account number somewhere in the message. And if you still can't find it, don't worry. You can always reach out to Home Credit support through their official website. Look for the contact number or live chat under the help section. They'll ask you to verify your identity with your name, ID number, or birth date, and then provide your account number. Just remember, only share your information through official channels, never with strangers. Finding your Home Credit account number doesn't have to be complicated. Whether through the app, your documents, or support, you can access it safely and quickly.